everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix a Snapchat camera not working. So to fix a Snapchat camera not working, you can start by checking that permissions are enabled in your phone setting. So for that, what you're gonna have to do is go to your phone setting and search for apps. Once you search for apps, go to Snapchat, scroll down to Snapchat, just tap on it, and make sure that the camera is always turned on for Snapchat. Now, the next what you can do is when you open the Snapchat, just try to completely close it. You can do a force close and then reopen it. Just swipe it up and then swipe it up again to close it completely. The next what you can do is restart your device. A standard restart can fix temporary software issues affecting the camera. Now, the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Snapchat, and then the update option is available here. Just tap on update to get the latest version of Snapchat. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.